Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to solve this problem. X power 10 plus x power 1 by 15 plus x power 1 by 30 is equals to 84. Let's take this one. 1 by 10 as 3 by 30 plus x power 1 by 15 as 2 by 30 plus x power 1 by 30 as same equals to, I can write 84 as 64 plus 16 plus 4, right? Okay, next. I can write this as 1 by 30 whole cube. Am I right? Right. 1 by 30 power 2. And this one as x power 1 by 30 whole power 1. And I can write 64 as 4 cube and 16 as 4 square and 4 as 4 power 1. So when you compare LHS and RHS, x power 1 by 30 is equals to 4, right? Whenever the powers are equal on both sides. So I can write this as x power 1 by 30 whole power 30 is equals to 4 power 30 by taking two sides power as 30. So I can write this as 30 gets cancelled here. So x is equals to 4 power 30. I hope you like this video and please share and subscribe. Thank you.